So hello guys, we're now going to Shaton, to the hidden beach. Travel time from Dumaguete is 1 hour and 1 minute based on Google Map. How's your night again?
Yeah, good. So far.
It looks so pogi in the videos.
I know. I'm pogi.
Okay. But of course our driver is only pogi. Kanoy, how's your sleep the last night?
It was fantastic. The aircon is not so cool.
Okay.
Hindi mo siguro masisira ko ng phone ko na nakatutok sa ano.
Hindi naman.
Dami ka din na, bugnaw. Nagmo-moist siya.
Welcome. Okay, welcome to Shaton guys. This is Shaton. Now we just arrived here dito sa Shaton Municipal Hall. That's the Municipal Hall. We're just waiting for pick it up namin. We're waiting for that agent, for that person where my sisters recommend me to contact, and we will talk to her about that hidden beach resort or location, and we will go there later. We'll take a video, and what else? And we'll also take a pictures of the place, and let's see how beautiful it is and what's the situation and condition of the land. So we will just wait with that agent or with that person. Thank you. I want to take a picture to my... Hello Ate, this is my friend Mr. Kanoy, and this is my another friend Jed Palatay. They are also nursing students.
Yes.
And he is driving. God bless you. Thank you, ma'am. Si mama ang mimit namin. Sure ka? Mabaklad ka sa iya?
Yes.
Videohan mo ang place, ang lugar. Bar. So we are now going to the place from the municipal hall, the proper municipal hall here in Shaton. Going to the hidden beach is around 10 minutes according to the lady, to the agent.
10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes according to her.
A bit far away.
And we are following her now. There, that guy
Ang init ba? Pero mang kasi naman sa motor.
na nainitan siya. So we are following them. So going there is actually maganda yung kalsada. I mean the road going there is beautiful. It's highway, 4 lanes. As well the view, beautiful. But then the climate, the temperature in this place is really hot, very hot. At 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. in the morning, it's really scorching, like the sun is scorching hot. So we will go to the hidden beach. So there's a signage there, signage, hidden beach. We will go there. Okay, we'll follow them. We'll follow them. Okay, there you go. Hidden beach. Sa pasulod pala talaga siya.
Tingnan mo nga, Kevin, ang lalim. Tingnan mo nga.
Wait.
Ang lalim.
Baba ako. Go! Okay lang. Wow. This is the hidden beach. Ito yung white sand. Puro mo ni bato.
Ako naman liwat.
Oh wait.
Tingnan mo.
Lalim.
Ang lalim eh.
Si Jed,
Ilan tawa, Pital?
yung yung ipipinta. Yung white man.
Bato-bato man ito. No?
Pero kunin mo yan pag na-develop. Kunin mo yan.
So this is already the beach that they are saying. It's actually different from the pictures.
From the picture?
Oh, magkaiba sila. Iba.
Ay, shoot. Pupunta pala doon.
Yung birch, dalhin mo. I can stay here, oh.
Hindi, ayaw ko ng... Wait. So, this is the beach.
I regret the shoes.
It's hot. So, ilang ano pa ito? Wait na lang, mamaya na lang. So, this is the place.
Ito, nabili na ito ng ano. May backwood.
Ito, this one
Pero
is
balak ng
already sold.
Amerikano yung nakabili. Balak naman niya ibinta. Yung katabi yung for sale.
Ah, so,
Katabi ng backwood yan. Diyan. Paano doon?
okay. This one.
Overlooking na ano, flat lang area.
So this one is the one, I mean this part is for sale.
Oo,
So how many square meters is this?
until doon.
And this is overlooking.
4,000 almost.
So almost 4,000 square meters this place. Ano siya no? Cliff, ano siya no? Palusong, no?
Mayroon pang flat doon.
Cliff, there is also flat
Kayong
sa taas.
Mag-overlooking, magtayo ng
Overlooking.
bubuk doon.
Hmm.
Sa dagat.
Okay. Okay. Saan yung pinupuntahan talaga ng mga tao?
Doon sa kabila.
Kabila.
Kabila ng rock na yan. Mayroon dyan na bali private property na nabili na.
Nabili na. Okay. So wala na ditong
Pero itong dito.
So itong for sale ito is 4,000 square meters. Almost 4,000 square meters.
More than 4,000.
More than 4,000 square meters.
Ito pilang square meter na rin.
So, okay ma'am. Ito lang tayo, sige. I-video ko lang yung ating pag-uusap. Si ate yun eh. Good morning po. Ano pangalan niyo ma'am?
Rodora.
Rodora, kayo po yung agent, no?
Yes.
So may-ari po ng lupa na ito is your cousin.
Yes.
Tapos, this is more than 4,000 square meters. And,
Kabante kag pila ka square meter nito? Wala.
wala.
Sige. Maila rin.
Tapos, yung condition po ng property, may title.
Wala pa siyang title, tax declaration. Mostly dito wala pang title.
Okay, most of the properties here are not titled, but there is a tax declaration. So ang pagbibenta nila dito, when they sell this property is all more than 4,000 square meters. Magkano po yung mga ganun?
7M negotiable pa.
7 million negotiable. Wow, that's already expensive, no? Mahal na siya, no?
Mahal ba sa
Pricey
beach
na siya. Yeah, kasi this is beachfront. But the condition, I mean the view, it's actually rocky. Though it's not so wide, and it's rocky. And if you really want to develop the property, it will really takes you millions of pesos, and maybe even dollars. I don't know. And ganun. So this is ganun. Tapos the person, yung pong tao na gustong bumili, she's looking for tawagin to mas malaking property, like at least 5
hectares.
hectares daw. If
Baka
there is
ibenta yung katabi. Natin alam.
5 hectares daw, pero I will show you the pictures later na kanya nakita online. Nung nakita niya online, yun yung kanyang gusto. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung picture niya, parang iba din naman. Pero
Mayroon din doon sa sir.
nalayo din.
Mas layo siya.
Pero going here naman, travel, okay naman, di ba? Okay lang. So this
Pero
is,
hindi yan makakapasok yung dalhin yung
This is the front.
Ano nga tawag nun? Yung bahay na bus?
Home motor.
Oh, motor. Hindi yan makapasok doon malaki.
Hindi. So unless they will redevelop it. So this is the view. This is the okay. Doon sa may niyog, no? If you can see, like, zoom in.
Taas.
So from there, in that coconut tree, tapos coconut tree, until there is a cement fence over there. Yan, hindi ko alam kung gaano na siya kalayo. Until papuntang taas, doon, papuntang taas. Tapos may, umbrella tree. Ganun. Tapos ito yung kanyang front. This is the front of the property. It's, I don't know if you like it. Okay, we traveled, nagbiyahe kami ma'am, nagbiyahe kami from Negros Occidental, Bacolod to Dumaguete. 6 hours. More than 5. Okay. That's Bacolod City to Dumaguete.
Dumaguete to Shaton is 1 hour.
Yeah,
1
more
hour.
than 1 hour. 1 hour, yeah. So that's the travel time. But actually, if from Manila, they can go directly to Cebu, right? And then Cebu to Dumaguete, much lesser yung travel time. Kasi if Manila to Silay, and then Silay, Bacolod, and then going here, it will take time, right? So basically, if you're from Manila, which is the capital city of the Philippines, Manila, and then you go to Cebu, and then Cebu to Dumaguete proper, right? You will ride a boat, and that will only 1 hour lang ba?
1 hour.
So only 1 hour from Cebu to Dumaguete, only 1 hour, and then Dumaguete to here, 1 hour. So only 2 hours. Compare if you will go to Silay, it will take you 1 hour. For example, Silay to Bacolod, that is 1 hour already. And then from Bacolod to Dumaguete Oriental, that is already around 7 hours travel. That's if you have your own car. But but if you will travel with the bus, the public transportation, it will take you longer. Ganun. So that's the situation and the condition of the land. So ganun lang po. Ma'am? Go to the white sand. Pero ito white ito, di ba?
White na.
Mabato lang talaga siya.
Bato. Pag na-develop yan, pwede naman kunin yan.
Pero grabe din ang gastos ng pagkunin yan, no?
Gagamitan ng backhoe.
Bakit ito tinawag na hidden?
We want to.
Why this is called hidden? Because you cannot see it from the highway. No? Wow. So it's not 7 hectares or 11 acres. It's 11,000 square meters. Acres.
Only 1 hectare.
Yeah, only 1 hectare. So only 1 hectare. So basically this is only 11,000 square meters. That's more than 1 hectare. Because 1 hectare is 10,000 square meters. Okay.
Mayroon kaming each lot na binta din.
And then
5 hectare.
yeah, in this place I don't have signal. In this place we don't have signal here. Marami na ba nag-inquire sa'yo? Marami na.
Tatlong na nagtutulingin dyan.
Mag-overnight. Kung may Christmas
So
light.
this is the place. The place has already ba't ba na English? Kasi sabi kasi natin kailangan kong i-English. Kasi yung bibili English. Yung lugar meron ng right of way.
Right of way. Hindi na tayo dadaan doon sa unang dinaanan natin. Diyan na diretso, yung mga may-ari ng lupa, naka-donate na doon sa barangay captain dito sa Sanag. Dinonate na nila ng 3 meters. 4 meters.
So bali sa kabilang side ng property ang nakabili is the owner of the kasi Pacific. That's
Yes.
what you've heard. And they are already developing the place, and it's beautiful.
Hindi ka po. Bago
Yes.
ka itong siyato na giant
So the place is already beautiful on the other side, and I want to go there. We will visit also the place.
Dagan.
So that's it. Actually,
Mantuyo, batuhan nyo, mantuyo.
when you buy the
balay-balay dito.
property, kasama na yung mga niyog. Ay, yung mga, yeah, everything that's in there,
What about one
the
night
plants are
Ah,
actually
oh, pwede.
included
Mantuyo, batuhan ninyo.
of the
Mantuyo.
Mantuyo, bye-bye.
Kinsa nang Indri?
So you can see.
Ernesto?
Ernesto diri.
Tama mo Ernesto.
Mantuyo, sure bro kayo dito, sir. Mantuyo.
So the place is actually rocky, but
Oh, simento ra.
there's white sand.
Salak yung padugo.
So what can you say
May katun siya pick
about
up.
the place? You like the place? But
Yes.
it's far.
Gani
Okay.
kung mo dili.
It's far and there's no
Oh,
signal.
nay, panalag sa rapo di ko no sa iso. Panalag
Kasi
sa
if you want
rapo.
to chill, relax, it's the use of signal thing.
The place is
Look the place.
very calm.
It's perfect for
It's perfect for muni-muni.
relaxation,
If you
meditation.
The
place is not accessible.
sa Bula,
Ano nakapalit?
we're
Asa po
able to visit the
Ano yung
place with your
mga-
sa
Accessible
car.
siya, hindi
Sa
nga
bulsa.
sa bulsa.
Sa
Highway,
Wala, nakapalit.
Ani.
Oh, ano na nabaligyan. Dali na po sa baligyan.
Ay, it's okay with the
Bakit?
doesn't mind.
Yung mga
Pero kung
visitors,
dito
wala
ang
kang
ilang
motor
taon
home.
na to.
Wala.
Pang,
Tama na yun.
siyempre may-ari naman.
Yeah.
Bakit? Ay, yung place ba, i-develop niya for own benefits, di ba? For naman siya, for business.
For business. I don't know, for business ba or for
Pag rest house, okay siya.
because they can develop it naman.
Oo naman.
They can find their way to bring the
Tsaka hindi naman siya sobrang layo sa highway.
Oo, okay lang.
Tapos yung way niya, accessible
Ato
naman
sa
kasi nakasemento.
Oh. Ano? May nalagyan dito. Eh, katong
ito ha. Sabi mo. Ay, susunod sa'yo. So, from the highway,
ang kagayatong kuwan dyan, sal.
it will only take you how many minutes?
Maybe 35.
3 to 5 minutes from the highway, from the main highway.
Siguro,
And then going here is actually already cement. So it's actually good already. It's actually accessible, not that far from the highway. That's it. So we will go to the other side of this beach because it's more white sand compared na rocky. Balik kami dito, Uncle.
Dungka ng bangka ba?
Ah,
Nandyan.
ano, nangingisda ka?
Ang isda ko.
Okay. Yes.
Ito lang man, medyo paakyat.
Look at the place. There.
Wala nakakural. Kung may ngalan dyan, oh. Bakit binta siguro yan? Puntahan natin yung nakakuha.
Sige.
Doon tayo ikot. Maganda dito kasi matag. Doon yung kita natin sa ibaba. Bye-bye.
La. Ano nasa baka, oh.
Lumabas yung buto niya.
Ano? Payat kasi siguro.
Sobrang payat na. Wala na makain. Buti na lang. Wala ng ulan. Yan, nangaari yan.
Ah, okay.
Baso.
Okay. Maganda ito kasi ito ay flat.
Kasi ako. Sa ibabaw.
Kumpara doon sa baba.
Pagandahin lang yan dyan sa baba. Pag mayroon nang may-ari.
This one is open space ito. Hindi ba ito for sale?
Tanong lang ako, sir.
Hindi po.
For sale tong siya, sir. Itong nakaalam dito sa kabila. Tanungin ko kung may-ari sa ito, pwede ba ibenta? Dito, may sulat, oh. Ano kaya sulat, oh?
Private property.
Private, gali.
Oh, yung may bakod na yan.
Hindi tayo makaraan, sir.
Yeah.
Kaya nakabakal ka pala. Ito, sir, oh.
That's private property on the other side.
Lawak. Yan.
Oh, it's a cliff. Scary.
Maganda yan sa ibaba. Doon tayo dadaan mamaya. Maganda dyan. Dyan ang karamihan namimigo mga tao.
It's very scary. Wait. You cannot pass through now.
Dito lang tayo, sir.
Sige. Wait. Down here, it's actually a cliff already. It's very scary and dangerous. It's very high. But actually the place is beautiful. You can see the overview of the ocean. And it's really cool. But it's also really hot as well. But I think there's a lot of people actually visiting this place, which is beautiful. So this place, this whole place where I am right now, where I am standing right now, is actually an empty space with grass and mango trees. On the other side, my left side, there is already a fence, and it's private property already. I'm gonna show you. This is the place. Empty siya, wala siyang laman. This is empty space. But we don't know if this is for sale because even the person who is helping me now about this place doesn't know if this place is for sale. This is empty. As you can see, it's really hot, man. It's really hot. So, I don't know if you can see it. So, on this side, in this part, it's already private property. So, I don't know. Abot ba? Yeah, it's already a private property. There you go. It's already private property. Yes. That side is already a side. Mayroon na siyang bakod. It's already private property. But the place is very good. I like the place though. But we just don't know if this is for sale. We just don't know. We need to talk to people who know about this place if this is for sale. Okay, that's it. That's already private property. Sino kaya pwedeng makausap, sir? Dito, no? Tungkol sa lupa na ito. Ito kasi nakabakod na, di ba? Ito hindi pa. This is the white sand. But it's rocky. But this one is already private, no? Private na ito, di ba? This is already sold out. I mean, this is already sold. And the owner of this part of this property is, what I've heard, is the owner of Cebu Pacific, or we can say also a foreigner. or American, I don't know what kind of foreigner. As you can see, there's a lot of corals, dead corals. But this one is already sold, okay? I'm telling you. This one is not for sale. It's really hot. Look, there is a beach in here. So, this is already developed, oh. Yeah. Developed. Right.
Trabaho kami dito.
See, ang ganda, no?
Say, may baligya dre yuta.
Look at this place.
Ulan, init.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Marami pala nangyayari dito, no?
Tago, oh, lalim mo pero maluwag. Dito tayo dadaan.
Yeah. Right.
Pag mag-ulan, init. Tago dyan. Pakilong. Linisin lang to pag may nakaano ito sir. Ganda to. Trabaho, ano ba to? Tabi.
Oh, I see. Okay. Ay, oh. Wait lang. Tayo ko yan dito, i-picture ko. Wait lang. So, this is the hidden beach. Very hot. You can actually do many things in this place. Hot. Thank you.
Dito yung tingnan mo, dito tayo bababa. Pwede mo makakuha niya, tinitingin lang yan.
Tama.
Buwan.
Hindi man ito mabasa, no?
Hindi, hindi.
Ouch.
Dito. Yan.
Lalim.
Yan, siguro tayo kahit
Mas lalo mo?
abili na lang tamo. Sungsong mo kasi.
Sige ah. Ang taas.
Gagaling sungsong nga na din eh. Nadaan lang sir. Pero, lalak yung kuwan. Batok.
Aray ko.
Kuwan. Pwede din. Ikot lang siya. Ayan, mababaw lang.
Lumot.
Ang dami nang hinatid ko dito.
Ano talaga?
Oh, nagatid ko bangka ba?
Ah.
Naligo sila rito. Amerikano. May mga kasamang asawa ba? Bangka. May mga kasama ko di ba? Natid ko dito. Naligo.
Diyan tayo di ba kanina, no?
Oh.
So that's where the property is. That's also for sale pala. The owner of the property is a foreigner.
Bangka.
Okay. Ingat. Let's go. Wait lang. Medyo scary. Let's try to. Yeah, please. There you go. Place over there. Yeah, wait for a while. I'm gonna show it to you. There. No more. There you go. Okay, that's it. The location, the place, very big rocks formation. I think this is limestone. Limestone or coral. Sir, pahawak nga ako, sir.
Ay,
I see. Look. Yeah. Oo nga, no?
linisan lang.
Pero,
Ganda na yan. Dami dyan maliligo.
ganito na siya, ano lang, lagyan lang siya ng daan ba?
Oo.
Pero wag nang masyadong i-improve. Ay, wag nang masyadong i-enhance ba? Kasi pag ganito na talaga siya, beauty niya, sakit na talaga. Wow. Sharp edges yung mga ito. Andon. I see.
Dito, pasilong, umulan. Oh, nagluto ka dito, sir. Ito, ito na, sir. Yung ulo mo, sir. Dandahan lang, sir. Kayo.
Thank you.
Mababa. Oh, pasilong, ulan. Bagyo. Sir, yeah, oh.
Basa no.
Mga basa. Yung ako rito, dami ng pinarga ko, sir. Galing doon sa parkingan niyo, sir.
Talaga?
Ito.
Nga, bakit?
Yung bangka ba?
Oh,
May hatid ko sila dyan. Sila lang may balo kung sila lang bahala magbigay.
gani.
Ako, oo. Kaya may mga bata, ganito ang lakarin, sir. Kawawa naman, pamilya ba?
Oo.
Pamilya sila. Kaya dalawa kong balik.
Binabangka na lang.
Kaya sila.
Marami na ba sa'yo dito nag-inquire sa property? May gustong bumili?
Hindi ko lang alam, sir. Kung kuhan. Dito. Kung kuhan. Kaya may binibinta dyan.
Okay.
Kunti-kunti lang, sir. Ganun. Kasi may mga nakalagay dyan na may nakalagay dyan poste. Maliit lang. Buo sana. Ito, malaki ito. Hanggang doon. galing dito. Yung may-ari ito, binibinta na yung nandyan. Kaya ko lang ito o dito. Nagkausap kung may-ari sir, mismo. Pilipino naman, makuhaan. Kung matuloy tayo ngayon, kausapin ko yung nandito yung
May ano ka lang, sir? Contact number, sir?
hindi, wala na ba sir?
Wala ka sa cellphone, sir?
May cellphone ko dito.
Wala number?
May number ko.
Ngayo ko?
Oo, pwede.
Okay.
Pwede. So, ito may-ari, papunta roon.
Muna kang pahina. Dumaan.
Yung may-ari, wala pong number. Pero,
Ikaw, meron.
akin mayroon. Yung may-ari dito, yung lupa, wala. Dali lang yan sir kung
Oh, i-connect.
oo. Eh, hingin ko lang to. Hindi ko pumunta rito. Kung saan. Dali lang yan. Yan ba sir ba? Yung naipula bang kalapot pati doon. Oh.
Okay. Yun yung 1 hectare?
More done.
Wala 1 hectare yun. It's really tiring. It's really hot going there down. We went up and then we went down and then we passed through those big rocks and very sharp edges, sharp rocks as well. And I don't know, but ang may-ari daw niyan, sa taas na yan, foreigner daw. Tapos for sale din daw.
For sale.
Yun yung sabi doon sa isang nakausap namin. Walang kung sino yung dapat kausapin at kung paano. Pero may
mas
number
maganda
naman sa inyo. Maganda kasi taas, over, tapos cliff sa baba. Pag cliff sa baba, you can see all the ocean. Tapos flat, yan. Flat lang gina siya.
May daan
Super
doon.
flat. Oh, may daan. Makadaan din doon ang kotse doon, banda. May makadaan doon ng car.
Si ate.
Kaso lang, pag itong diyan sa baba na yan, na may mga rock formation diyan na na malalaki, na may mga hidden talaga ng mga tubig, you can go through sa mga tunnel. It's actually very thrill, parang maze. And then the rock is sharp. Tapos
Na mag-vlog. Gutom na ako.
that's it. We'll go there kasi bigyan ko pa si kuya ng ano ano yan?
Pamahaw.
Pang pamamahaw, diba?
Ang paniod ko.
Pampanyod to. Kasi
Sa
wala pa
sa
man
kuan,
breakfast.
sa Ilonggo ate, ang snack pamahaw tawag.
So ang hard snack.
Ano,
O pamahaw, gaan ta ka ba pamahaw? Ya ilang ihat na mga
Snack
kape,
Ah.
ana pamahaw na ila tawag.
Wala ko nilalaan
Ta.
Wallet. Sige, let's go.
So sasamahan tayo ni ate.
Sige.
Pumunta dayon muna taon
Punta
sa
muna kayo doon sa sa Mantuyok.
Sige.
Mantuyop. Tapos pag maka-reserve na tayong place,
Oh.
punta na tayo.